about me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, I am Courtney B and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are an oldie, thank you so much for clicking on this video and for always supporting your girl. If you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you will never miss an upload from me. In today's video, I am going to be doing a DIY coffee mug. I had a whole bunch of Infusible ink left over from when I had purchased my Easy Press machine. That was a long time ago, but in my last video, if you guys saw it, then you guys would know that my husband recently purchased me this Better Sub 5-in-1 heat press. And in that video, I went ahead and I did a customized onesie, so I'll be sure to link a card. Make sure you guys check that video out. But in this video, I'm going to go ahead and use one of my other attachments, which is the mug press. So hopefully it'll turn out really good. But I am going to go ahead and stop talking and move over to my computer so that I can get started on customizing my design. Alright guys, so I am just going to go ahead and go to mug design setup. And then I'm going to select small straight edge 12 ounce. And I'm just making everything bigger, and I am uploading a flower that I found on Google. So I'm just gonna upload that. And then from there, I went ahead and I chose positive mind, vibes, and life. So I'm just uploading that also. And I'm just gonna size everything down to the way that I want it to fit on my mug. And I wanted to let you guys know that I went ahead and I used deaf font for my words, positive mind, vibes, and life. So just so you guys would know, that's where I got all of my words from. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and shift everything over and rearrange everything to my liking. Okay, so from here, I'm just gonna go ahead and I typed in a heart and I'm going to the free images, but for some reason I saw this butterfly, so I really wanted that butterfly, and I am just sizing it down and placing it on here as well. And now I'm gonna go ahead and find my heart that I want. And I'm gonna size that down also, and I'm putting that up. Oh, I thought I was putting that up towards the top, but no, I'm putting that behind mind and vibes and also behind life. Alright, so I decided I wanted to go ahead and contour my flower because I did not want all of the little small intricate details. I just felt like it was going to be harder for it to cut with the infusible ink. So I'm just contouring out all of the little small pieces. And then I went back to images and I wanted another flower, and of course I'm gonna go ahead and use a free one. So I'm just inserting that as well, sizing that down, and I'm just gonna go ahead and figure out where I want it. And then I decided to contour the little small pieces in the butterfly also, but I did want to go ahead and leave the hearts. And then I also wanted another butterfly, but I wanted a different one, so I wanted more of a solid butterfly. Okay, so everything looks good to me for now. So next up, I'm just gonna go ahead and rearrange everything again. I just want to make sure everything is in the right place. Okay, now it is time for me to go ahead and hide the little teal part because I did not want that. I just wanted everything to show on the mug itself, and from there I am trying to attach all of my images, but for some reason it was giving me trouble, so I was having to go back and undo and then reattach. So I would click on positive, the butterfly and the flower, and hit attach, and it would attach. And then I decided to go ahead and click on Mind, Vibes, Life, and the hearts. Try to attach that as well. So once I clicked on all of the images, I went ahead and attached them all together. Then for some reason, don't think it wanted to attach right here, so I hit the undo button. And just a little tip, if it does not attach for you guys, you can always hit the undo button and then start all over. So that's what I had to do. I'm just trying to get everything attached to the little transfer sheet so that I would be able to go ahead and cut. Okay, so I attached. This time I was able to attach everything to, I call it a transfer sheet, but the template. So I got it all attached, and then I went ahead and I hit the little mug icons. Make sure you guys do that. Don't forget to mirror your image. And now it is time to make it. Alright guys, so I just finished with my design, but before I get started on cutting my image out, I wanted to tell you guys this is the infusible ink that I chose. I do have several others, but I thought that this little galaxy, like I love all of these colors, but I thought that this would be really cool on my coffee mug. So in this box it does come with butcher paper. I do have extra, but I'm going to use the butcher paper that came with it. Also heat resistant tape You'll need alcohol, and then also a lint roller just to clean off your mug. Oh, and of course you will need a mug. I'll be sure to make sure that I link everything that I use down below. I did not use the Cricut blanks. I ended up just ordering me some mugs off of Amazon. I ordered 11-ounce mugs, so check the description box if you guys are interested. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut out I'm gonna cut out enough of my infusible ink and place it down on the mat and get started on cutting. Okay guys, so it is the next day and I just wanted to let you guys know I did have to switch my location. So now I am in the kitchen, but I wanted to let you guys know that I did go ahead and get my image all weeded out. So this is how it looks. And I am just gonna go ahead and clean off my mug and then tape this onto the mug with the butcher paper. And then it's gonna be time to go ahead and press. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the mug right now. Alright guys, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I went ahead and taped everything down on my cup. So now it is time for me to go ahead and press, and I'm just going to press it for 400 degrees for 120 seconds. And then once it's done, I'm just gonna take it out and sit it on my Cricut mat, this little mat right here, and I'm gonna let it cool down completely so it'll be a cold peel, and then I will show you guys how everything looks. Alright guys, so my cup is all finished and I want to show you guys how it all turned out, and it came out really good. So this is how it looks, and it just says positive mind, vibes, and life. And then I wanted some butterflies and some flowers, and I think it turned out so vibrant. I'm absolutely in love with my cup, and I can go ahead and use it right away. That is one of the benefits to Infusible ink versus vinyl on a coffee cup. I can use it right away. I don't have to wait for it to cure. I can put it in the microwave. I can go ahead and wash it and it will not fade. So I absolutely love it, guys. I'll be sure to link everything that I use down below, so make sure you guys check out the description box. But I wanted to let you guys know 400 at 120 seconds is the perfect time and temperature. It worked for me and it came out just like this. And I also wanted to let you guys know to be sure to just make sure you guys tape up your image really good. So I made sure I put some heat resistant tape on the top and along the bottom before I went ahead and put my butcher paper on. And then I also made sure that I got all of the bubbles out of the transfer tape that was on it. So I wanted to make sure I pressed everything down firmly just so that it'll stick directly onto the cup and I would have less likelihood of ghosting. So came out really, really good. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. That is it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.